Hey folks, Kanal here, Bulls on Wall Street. Just giving you a quick update on the markets today. As you can tell, I mean, really the markets have been just consolidating for a little bit of time. And after a nice run up, we're having a little bit of a pullback and we're kind of getting back into the middle of the range. You can see this whole year has been a range. It's been a fairly easy market to trade in as long as you understand that we're not in that huge bull run that we were in before, where you get the market just trending every day for like months. Now we're in a range. And we're in a range where, the market goes up for a period of days and then it comes back down and it comes up for a period of days and it comes back down. You have to be able to trade that range, and that's when you'll get your explosive movements. And so, when the market pulls back, you'll get really, really big pops in individual stocks in the indexes. And that's kind of where you want to start swing trading, then selling them into strength. And then when you get to the top of the range, you got to come back and go the other way. And those are kind of the two different things that you want to do with it. But otherwise, this is summer trading. I only trade half days in the summer. We usually go to the beach or go do something else during the summer. But summer trading is just really, really choppy like this in general. And so, how we like to do things is, every day we'll find kind of a stock or, stocks that are in play that we like to trade. And, we'll just keep hammering them. And so, like, today, well, we didn't do much. We've been basically just trading this CBLI all day, made like 1,600 bucks on it or so. But, everything else was kind of flat, like, up 400 in this, up 200, up 100, you don't get as much juice as you normally do. And that's summer trading. The volume is not there, but it doesn't mean you can't make money. It just means that you have to be a lot more opportunistic. You got to trade quicker, and then you got to really, really just hammer home a stock when you get it. And so, some different things that I'll be watching over here is like, I'm done for the day, but I've got some alerts to set to come back to the computer if this SGYP holds over here. I really like the flag on this stock. I've been watching this one. We're watching this AMBA to the end of the day. You can see here that we could get a flag breakout on this and a potential run. And then the CBLY, we actually had this. This is one of my favorite types of plays. This is a PR earnings gapper play. I just got really a little bit left on this thing, but after the big run in the morning, when it pulled back to support and it started to round up here, we added a couple thousand shares here at the 560 range. And we played to the upside. We really rode this thing almost to the 680s. Not all of it. I like to scale out in pieces, but just a really good, solid trade. That's one of my favorite go-to setups. But, that's about it. This is the summer market trading. Every day, if you're going through like the top gainers of the day and stuff like that, there's really only a handful of stocks that are really running. Something like this is a hot trade, but it's not my type of chart. So, I usually just stay away. But you're not getting the huge momentum that you need right now. But earnings season's coming and things of that nature. So there will be some plays. One other trade that I'll be watching for potential short is this RMTI. This is what we call like a breakaway gap today. And it doesn't look like it's rated as short now, but if I start to see around 2 p.m. A late day crack on this thing, where it starts to crack some supports and things like that, later in the day, an afternoon crack, I'll definitely take this one short for a flush. If I come back to the computer, we're about to cruise out in a little bit, but if I come back, I think this would probably be the top one on my watch. If not, if it keeps going, the higher it goes, the better. If it goes up and ramps up again, even better is we'll get a sick trade out of this tomorrow. But that's it. So, guys, this is what I do during the day for our Bulls Vision and our students. So our boot camp students get access to this, and our customers get access to this. And so they literally see me trade live during the day, buying and selling or whatever, and you'll watch me, and I'll be talking you through all the stuff, and you get to actually watch me trade. And I think that's like a huge advantage when you're trying to learn, because you want to see somebody go through their scans, and you want to be able to see what they do and what they're thinking. You want to be able to see them on video. I also have my face up and stuff like that, so you'll be able to see what's going on during the day. And I think that that's huge. And you want to see, right, like your mentor or whoever you're working with, really go out and like how do they attack their days and make profits. I think that's something that we do really well at Bulls on Wall Street is that, hey, I don't make money every day or but I make money most days. But my students get to see it, and then we talk about it. Like when I lose, it's, hey, this is why I lost, and when we win, it's, hey, this is what went right or this is what went wrong. And that helps your learning process because you can only learn so much from books. You have to go into this other realm of, hey, I've got to learn by watching things live. I got to learn from somebody that's actually doing it. And I think that's really, really huge. So, guys, leave any comments or ask me any questions if you need anything. Otherwise, I'll see you guys all later. Take care.